Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nokia G11 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on Backup option and tap on Add Account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. So you can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data, it's up to you. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. As you can see, I've got it saved, but a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the add symbol. After tapping on next, your device will autofill it. Of course, it will not work if you're entering the phone number. So right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, just tap on next. Here we have to decide who will be using this device, so I will stick with the first option. And here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info you need. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so here you can check that you are able to use 15 gigabytes of Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Here you can also check that your device will back up the data automatically, will store it securely, and you will be able to manage the backup easily. If for some reason you will decide that you don't want to back up the data right now, just tap on Not Now, and then if you will decide that you want to do it, simply come back to the system settings and tap on Backup. All I wanted to show you is that you will not you do not have to go through the whole operation of adding the Google account. It will be saved and you will be transferred directly to this step. So simply tap on Turn On, and as you can see, here we've got some backup options, backup customization, let's say. So here you can check how much space you've got left, you can manage the storage here. Here we've got the backup details. Also in advanced settings, you've got the option to backup using mobile or metered Wi-Fi data, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you will be sure that you will not be charged for using too much transfer. Here, all you have to do is to simply tap on Backup Now, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Nokia G11. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.